Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and today I'm gonna do another anime versus my art drawing video. In the YouTube community section, over 8,000 people voted for the next video and almost 60% wanted to see my take on the iconic It's Over 9,000 moment of VEGETA. It's a nice challenge and I think we can get right into it. Make sure to watch the whole video, give it a like and subscribe, and I see you in the end with the final result. Let's go. Alright guys, last touch, and then my version of this iconic, it's over 9000 moment of Vegeta is done. As you can see, I kept it very close to the original, but still added my own little touch to it. I wanted to give Vegeta some more details to make the drawing look more interesting. Compared to the original, I used a darker shading and also used a few more color tones for the coloring, which makes the overall drawing a lot more vibrant and detailed. I also gave it a detailed inking, but nothing too crazy, as a line art with too much black shades would not fit to a drawing like that. Other than that, I kept it very close to the original as I said, just drew it in my own style. It's a very cool pose and I love the face expression, and I hope you guys enjoyed my version of this iconic moment. Alright guys, now let me know in the comments what you think of this. Also give me inspiration for future videos and like the video to show me your support. You can also support me on Patreon. If you appreciate my work, that would be amazing. I will of course upload this on full time on my real time channel, so you can follow my steps very easy in case you want to draw this yourself. The one and only original drawing is now available on Etsy, and for commissions, message me on Instagram. And if your custom drawing fits to my channel, I will make a video of your drawing and mention your name in the video. All the links down below in the info box, including the links to the materials I'm using. That's it guys, thank you all for watching and I see you on the next